People with sickle cell disease, they face many challenges, but we rarely hear about the toll it takes on families. Continuing our Be Well series, BNC's Anita Bennett spoke to a woman with the disease who is using her experiences to help others cope.
Of course, I'm very passionate, and for me, the most important thing is to keep people alive.
Dr. Carolyn Rowley founded Cayenne Wellness Center in Burbank, California. The nonprofit offers support services to people with sickle cell.
Whether they need transportation to get to their clinic appointments, we have a program that helps if they actually need other types of resources like rental assistance or help with your utilities.
Sickle cell causes red blood cells to form a sickle shape, leading to unbearable pain. Here in the U.S., 100,000 people have the disease, and most of them are Black.
The life expectancy has improved. Back in the 70s, for example, an average patient with sickle cell disease would be unusual if they lived beyond their 20s. Now the life expectancy is in the late 40s, 50s, 60s.
Pain episodes can lead to expensive hospital stays. The only cure is through a blood or bone marrow transplant. Dr. Griffin Rogers of NIH says pharmaceutical companies have been cautious about investing in new treatments.
People, this is 100,000. It's not a million. It's not like, for example, diabetes, in which 30 million adults have it, and another 80 million are at risk for developing it. But that number probably is something that goes into the equation when pharmaceutical and device companies think about, what's going to be the return on their research investment.
Adrienne Shapiro is a patient advocate and works with Cayenne Wellness. She tells us sickle cell takes a toll on families.
It's really hard when you're crying with a mom whose kid is sickle cell and you still have your child. It's hard because sometimes those moms who've lost their children can't look at you anymore. You become for them that place, that reminder of what they've lost.
Adrienne's daughter has the disease, and Carolyn was diagnosed with it as a toddler. If there's someone watching with sickle cell, what words of hope would you give them?
I have a very full life, and it's worth living. So with that person who may feel hopeless, they're here for a reason because they still have breath of life. So it's a matter of finding their joy and how they're going to leave their legacy.
Now, in her own battle with sickle cell, Carolyn tells us she tries to live a healthy lifestyle. That includes a vegan diet, breathing exercises, and prayer. Reporting from Burbank, California, I'm Anita Bennett for BNC.
Yeah, we certainly wish her the best. So many other people. There are several kinds of sickle cell disease, and Cayenne Wellness is doing their part by continuing to help spread awareness. To see more of our Be Well series, go to bnc.tv and click on Health. Stick around. Much more. Start your day. We're right back.